Top of the day, guys, welcome back to another video. Profitable day it is because I took this buy trade on volatility 31s index, got my entries at this point, and boom, massive buys of got. My TP1, TP2 and TP3 has been smashed, expecting more buys. So my TP4 over $500 profit secured, and this trade signal was shared to my signal group. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on my fair trade signals and on the hair probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. My TP4 has been smashed just as expected, and I would set a new TP right now, which would be my TP5. New TP has been set because I expect price to buy to as high as this level, the level of 6,289. Yeah, so I was able to catch the buys on this index. How did I know price is going to buy from my buy zone? What was my view and analysis on this index? So spotting out this trade opportunity, I started my analysis from the daily time frame where I spotted the structures of the market, and as you can see, this index has been kind of consolidating with series of equal highs of got at this point and equal lows, which I already identified here, the level of 6,198. Let me spot the highs properly with the horizontal line. So we got this to be the equal highs, the zone. Yeah, so price bought here previously as support, this fake out sells, price pushed up, bought support here on the retest, and I expect price to still buy from this level as a support. Seeing the sales we got on this level, price sold resistance, then this drop, which a gap was created, a bearish gap. Yeah, so I expect price to push up to come fill up this bearish gap in the coming days and weeks, being that the market is consolidating, the market is in a zone. The buys to the upside is expected at least back to these highs, and at the same time we've got this market structure, which is actually a bullish structure where the market created series of higher lows and series of higher highs. So say we've got bullish confluences on this index. So seeing price approach this zone on the drop to the downside, price got to test an order block, a bullish order block, in addition to this horizontal level of support, a historical level basically, and the bullish structure of got. So I expect price to buy. Yeah, so proceeding to the 4 time frame, I identified my zone clearly, which I still spotted some historical levels. This is a level of resistance currently, which was a level of support, and it's also the neckline of a head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern, having the left shoulder at this point, the head formed here, and the right shoulder. So this is the neckline here. So price is likely to get to this neckline in the coming hours and days possibly, and that would be my swing target point for the buys, because seeing the reactions we've got on this level has been holding on to price historically. Seeing price buy here as a support, got buy support here, support at this point as well, support here, support, resistance we've got, price sold. So this is the level that price has been expecting. So there's a possibility of same price to respect this level on the approach of it in the coming hours and days. So on the 30-minute time frame chart, I spotted this structure that the market is forming up here, a bullish structure where I've got series of higher lows. Let me clear this off. Series of higher lows here and series of higher highs, also forming a bullish trend. The trend support here and the trend resistance at this point. So that's the reason why I placed my 4th TP here, because of this trend resistance level, because we could likely see price reject from these highs. You can see the past rejection we got here, price pushing up and selling from this level, a historical level of resistance. It is already because of the previous reaction we got on this level, and the proper break of this level would get more buys in the coming hours and days. Yeah, so seeing this bullish structure, I had the buy expectations of this index where I waited for price to drop into my buy zone to buy from this point, being that on the 15-minute time frame chart we've got an order block, a bullish order block at this point, where I stacked up the buys on price coming to test the base of this order block, in addition to the trend support level we've got. Seeing the past reactions on this level, price bought here firstly as a support here, support. So it's expected for price to still buy from this level as a support. And for more confirmations on my buy zone, I brought up the Fibonacci retracement, so place it on the recent swing low and drag it up to the recent swing high. And you can see that this is 1.8 Fib retracement level aligns with my buy zone, which gave me an extra confirmation for the buy. So on price dropping to this point, I stacked up, and massive buys we've got already. TP1, TP2, TP3 and TP4 has been smashed, and more buys to be expected to my TP5, which I set a few minutes ago here. and we could still see long-term buys in the coming hours and days on this index price, buying to the level of 6,516, and I would set a new TP at this point, at least 3 more TPs at the level of 6,330 for TP6, CP7, and the last CP, which would be at the level of 6,516 to catch the swing buys on this index here. And I'm very much safe on the remaining positions that I'm holding. Let's see how this plays out. And good profit secured already. The signal was shared to my signal group, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on my fair trade signals and on the help probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. For more trade reviews like this and trade breakdown, do it to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, follow this page, and share this video. Thank you guys, and do have a wonderful day.